habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. We'll now focus on the delivery and facilitation of our virtual client presentations and meetings. And anything in life, any activity, really depends on three basic areas. What happens before, what happens during the activity, and what happens after that. Such as in the case of virtual meetings and presentations, we would need to pay attention to what we need to do as part of our preparation, as part of our execution, and as part of our documentation and follow-through. Let's talk about some more bullets in each one. For pre-meeting, our three keywords are preparation, anticipation of challenges, and prevention of potential issues. And when we talk about preparation, from the technology to the environment around us to our presentation materials. In terms of anticipating challenges, will internet connection be friendly to me today? What will I do if I get cut off during the meeting? What will I say to better engage the client who is not participating? When it comes to prevention of potential issues, asking ourselves, now knowing what might happen, what will we do to prevent these distractions, disruptions, and interruptions from happening? Now, the good thing is that we have weeks, days, and up to even hours before the meeting to get ourselves ready. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.